stop. Tama. Yeah. So, matchy lahat, ah. Oh. Oh. Wow. It's so pretty. Mother dear, please tour me with the food.
Oh, we have cochinillo. Cochinillo, paella
Negra.
Valenciana, paella negra. We have
Croquetas.
We have gambas, salpicao, salmon in honey garlic. I don't know, something like that. We have pasta and shepherd's pie. And the salad.
Oh, I like the salad.
Okay, we
Okay.
have Chinese food.
Ah! Oh, ako nag-order nito. Okay, we also have Chinese lumpia. Hello, Ate Vic. Ay, allergic si Ate Vic. We have drinks, and then ito yung sa lumpia. And we also have hors d'oeuvres, or mga cold cuts and cheese. Hey guys, it is Christmas Day. So, kanina nag-errands lang kami. We ate out. We had manam. Dylan has a friend kasi nagaling sa Japan. So, yun, pinatry namin ng Filipino food. And then now, we're having dinner. And we're gonna give gifts later also. Guys, so yung friendly Brent, si Marvs, is coming. Tapos, malapit na yung birthday niya. So, kakantahan namin siya sa surprise namin.
Patawad!
Come on, Dylan.
Patawad po! Hi!
Merry Christmas!
Hello po!
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday! Happy birthday to you!
Thank you po!
Yay!
Parang first time ko in a long time mag-grab. Ay, Jesus! Kasi...
2, 3.
Okay, one more. 1, 2.
And this is for you.
Thank you! Thank you!
Merry Christmas.
Thank you! Thank you so much!
Marvin, just a little something for you.
Thank you.
Merry Christmas.
As kapamilya.
Kapuso. Merry Christmas.
Kita meron din sila si Agnes.
Si Agnes, kalaro ko yan.
Mwah.
Ito kay Ref.
Ay, okay. Thank you.
Oh,
This is for you, Dylan.
Thank you, Mother. Wow. Yung Van Cleef daw.
Van Cleef pa rin. Ikaw naman yan. Danny.
Ay, Daniela.
Merry Christmas.
Wow!
Wow, daming paper bag. Panyo lang naman ang laman.
Oh my gosh, thank you. Pwede mo nag-gifts.
Networking pala. Ashley.
Thank you so much. Thanks, Tita.
Ash.
Oh, wow. Thank you. Thank you, Tita.
Ashley.
Wow, ang dami. Thank you, Tita.
Galing na sa isang tindahan.
Ate Vic,
Tawag ka.
come here.
Hindi yan. Baka expect mo yun.
Ate Vic.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you.
Okay, this is Brand
Oh, thank you.
from Ref and I. This is Dylan.
Oh, thank you.
This is yours, Dad. From, ano yan? Collective effort yan. From Dylan, me, pati si Ref. Malia. Thank you. Danny.
From Tita Gia, Dylan.
Oh, thank you.
Ashley.
Yes.
Brent.
Wow. Wow, yan. Uy, Jollibee GC. Wow.
Ay, yung akin Uniqlo GC.
Jollibee GC.
Oh, thank you so much. Ay, Daddy, gusto ko muna makita yung sa'yo. Open mo dali yung sa'yo.
Oh.
Open mo yung gift mo.
Collective effort yan.
Oo. Sige.
Ang layo ko to travel.
Oo. Not that.
Ay, hindi yan.
That's something you can wear for your events, I guess.
Oh, that's nice. Kasi manipis.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, hindi ganun kalagay. Yes.
Blazer.
Wow. Barney.
Launch monitor.
Yes!
Para ma-track yung swing mo.
Grabe.
Wow! Hindi na yan uuwi.
Doon ako sa driving range.
Ayan!
Thank you.
Nanap ni Dylan yan sa Japan.
Sa Japan mo binili. Thank you.
Are you happy with your gift?
I would never buy this for myself.
Ginamit ka agad, oh.
Yes. Ay, bagay sa outfit.
Ano po? Ang tawag po dyan, Agnes B. French. Agnes. French. Ano ba dapat na
pronunciation? Agnes. Agnes V.
Alam ko yung watch mo namin. So, mga compatible. Because you can record it later.
So ito si Sports B.
Sport B.
Sport B.
naman.
Si Agnes and Sport magkapatid.
Agnes B.
Actually, don't meron.
Ay, we forgot Malia, another one. Crop top. Tama.
Papaputol ka na lang namin dito. Gusto kita yung puso din.
You can check that out.
Tapos yung
Yeah.
sa scarf.
It's a mix of like local and international.
Work outfit.
Ayan na, ready na kumanta si Daddy. Okay na ba?
Thank you. Ooh, it's a white shirt. Kailangan ko ng mga white shirt.
Can I see, Dylan? Oh, nice. I like that. I like the detail.
Kailangan ko ng mga white shirt. Mami, saan daw ito nabibili?
SM Ora.
What's your favorite place?
Marketplace. FB Marketplace.
Tayo Rizal.
You like it?
So shiny.
Yeah.
Pag di mo sinagot yung pinsan ko.
Babawin.
Hindi mo sinagot yung pinsan ko, babawiin niya lahat, no? Akala mo ba?
Pang-forma niya, Brent. Sino yun?
Dito, alam mo na.
Oh, wag kayong magkikita.
Sabay, sasayaw tayo dito.
Boy group naman.
Hindi, kasi pag sila alis, nag-send sila ng picture. Ngayon kami din nagkita. Tita, ano outfit mo?
Ano yung shopping din mo yun?
Parang sila may pang-gold.
Ano ito pang gold?
Can I see, Dylan?
Okay.
Oh.
Very nice.
Hindi na ako magigimik.
Save ako kayo to my sip to glow.
Oh, no. Wait. There's another one. Yeah.
Another one?
You're welcome.
B for Brent. B for them.
B.
B and
Kasi nga, Agnes B.
I think ano siya?
Kay B.
pala to eh.
Ano ba natulog sa akin?
Yeah.
You really know what I
No.
tote bag also.
Oh. So, matchy lahat, ah. Oh. Oh. So, everyone has the same bag, okay?
Sabihin mo kung gagawin mo. And our next hangout, same bag lahat, ah.
Wider.
Same shirt, same bag lahat.
Hindi niya alam.
I was like choosing between these two colors.
Nakuha niya yung dark hair.
Yeah, and I didn't find the like extra small size, so and then
She found it.
Found it.
no, I got two colors.
It's perfect.
Tinamad siya mag-ano. Siya,
I'm gonna cry too.
Oh, pag sinuot ko to, crop yan sa
Oh,
akin.
thank you, tita daw, mother dear. Or tita yayat ba? Ah, si mami. Ay, ang cute. Cute, cute. Hindi na inikot to siyang ganun.
yeah.
So, alam mo na.
And yung couple shirt na low-key lang.
So, pag ganit ka, suotin mo yan.
Yung couple shirt ano, yung kabilang card. Tapos yun.
Tapos pag dinikit dinosaur. Ha? Depende sa mood. Pag galit si Danny, didikit namin dinosaur.
Dali, check mo, check mo. You're welcome.
This is from...
That's from tita yayat pala.
Carter.
Oh, Carter, thank you. Thank you.
Malia, Malia. Look at hers.
Yes. Malakas makabagets dito. Very
Para sa kayo magpapagod din ng Marvin.
Yes. Sino ba? Nag-isip ako.
May card
David
kayo?
Gison.
Yeah.
That's cool. I don't
Someone gave us.
know. Talaga? That's nice.
Ayan, sabay kayo, Brent and Dylan. Oh, nasira na ni Brent yung bubuksan niya.
Yung kayo na siya.
Ito buksan.
Iniikot lang, Brent.
Thank you, Ashley.
You're welcome.
We must go.
Kaya voice activated daw.
Wait lang, wait lang. Wait, Dylan. Almost there.
Kaya mo yan.
Okay.
Okay, go, Dylan.
What's this? APC?
Wow.
Ah.
Oh, belt ba to? Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Paano naisip to gano'n na tote bag?
Oh, wala na.
Yun eh.
One for each day.
Thank you, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, thanks, ah.
Papalitan kayo.
Oo. Pag ikaw naka-APC, si Dylan naka-Agnes B. Oh.
Thank you.
Wow, bedazzled.
Thank you.
Can I see?
Yes, good.
Oh. Guess where I am.
Wala kang kaparehas. Stand out ka dyan.
While washing the Wow, Ash, thank you.
Oh, yes. Oh.
Yes, I need
Collective
this.
effort din yan from Dylan and I. And Ref.
Thank you so much. Wow, bag.
Dust bag.
Dustpan.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
Oh.
Oh,
Yes.
wow. Thank you. So pretty. Oh, thank you.
Cebu doctors, may chombo na.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Alam ko gusto niyo yung style niya yun kasi meron kayong flats niyan. Oh.
Yes, yes. Naka naman. Yes.
Si Daddy iniisip na kung kailan siya mag-golf. Hindi na siya makasalita.
Oo.
Galing kay Aya.
Buksan mo na.
Sister ni Ref. Yeah. Okay, I will open.
Hindi ni Aya.
Yeah.
Match yan yung ano.
Yes!
Ang galing na kahit isang kamay lang.
Binibenta niya sa sarili niya. Oh my God.
Oh my gosh, so convenient.
Kailangan ma-justify siya.
Nako, Marvin, katukin mo na yung makikipag-trade sa'yo. Tapos kunin mo na. Ngayon na. Ooh! It's your favorite body oil.
yes.
I love this.
Tapos ano pala, no, pagkain
Bango?
pa to. 2 weeks na ago na binigay sa akin.
Thanks, Aya. Kahit wala si Aya dito.
Si
Oh, nice. Black label.
Double black.
Double black. Okay,
Dito picture.
Okay.
Wow, is this for working out, guys? Thank you so much.
Yes. Try it on, try it on. Try it on.
Try working out
Sana
now.
kasya sa akin, friend.
Yan.
Try it now. Try it now.
Ah, shorts.
Wow.
Ah, cute. Thank you.
Because we know your resolution how you're gonna exercise.
So,
Ano, 10,000 steps nga.
Perfect.
O, inumin nyo na ngayon.
Wala lang. May masarap yung double black na yan.
Ooh, I think I have a black version of this. Thank you so much. And it's padded. I love it.
I think there's shorts under also.
Perfect. Thank you.
Ah, ito na yun.
This thing.
Yung sunod dito, triple black.
Ooh. Sikat tong brand na to.
case.
Conditioner na, I don't know how you pronounce it. It's a Korean brand.
Hello, Bobo.
See?
Mison Sen.
Misan Sen?
No idea.
Mison.
Yeah, it's famous in
That's
Korea.
Yeah.
Aww, thank you so much. Cute.
Maison
Bigay ni nila Carlo, nila Mando, nila Ella. Oh, ganda.
Altar.
Wow, Tita Yaya, thank you.
Kung kay Brent, parang hindi kayo masikip.
Pang ano ko to, pag nagta-travel, naka-plain black shirt lang ako.
Ayan.
Sa flight, gano'n. Ay, ang ganda. Thanks, Tita Yaya.
You're welcome.
And Brent.
Yes, kitayat lang yan. Ay, dito yung kay Brent.
Perfect. Meron akong ganito, Tita, at ibang color eh. So, I like it. Thanks.
Sorry.
Uy, Machi. Machi ba?
Yes, of course.
Oh.
Oh, alam niyo na.
Meron ako nito, yung beige. Maganda siya.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Na-pressure ako na lang yung nagbubukas ng regalo eh. Ooh. Nice. Thanks, Tita.
Welcome.
I love it. Maliit lang yung logo. Cute, cute. Sa hoodie. Open ko na ba to?
Oh, yes, kay Tita Yaya. Yan.
Ganda naman ang packaging nila. Perfect.
What's that?
It's an ear cuff.
Cute.
It's a blue sapphire with diamonds.
Gusto ko yung ano ka dyan Marvs Sige, susuotin ko na Tita Yaya.
Oo.
Ano siya?
Na-adjust.
Sa ilong yan.
Ah,
Sa ilong.
look.
Oh my god. Oh, that's so cute.
Oh, cute
Naka-ear cuff lang siya.
Okay.
Ang ganda. Thank you,
Next
Tita.
time, isa one at a time.
Yes, perfect.
50% lang
Siguro. Siguro ito.
Dalawang side.
Yan yung isang side.
Ito galing sa parents ko.
That's ano ha?
Wow, ang laki.
For Christmas and for your birthday.
Pinag-isa na.
Wow, it's so pretty.
It's another side for the other side.
For the other side.
Ang ganda, guys. Look.
Yan, diamond cup.
So, ito, I have to put it sa, and then
Tapos
do
iga
that.
ganun. Oo.
Like hers, there, look. Like that.
Ah, yeah.
Pero yung sa'yo has bigger stones.
Thanks, Mom and Dad. This
You're
is so
welcome.
nice. I love it. Ganda. Open ko na ba to? Or,
Open
Open
mo
mo
na.
na. Para malaman ko kung ano yan.
natatakot siya eh. It's so nice! Look.
Oh, you wear it na. Oh, yan na. Angie ah.
Ganda.
Ganda.
Suotin ko na.
Official photographer. Rico photographer.
Thanks, Marvs. Ganda.
You like it?
Yeah. Look.
Tapos, yan, picture.
Oh, isa pa. Oh.
PM na lang ako sa rates ni Marvin. Ha?
May ano ba?
Ano pa
Sample
lang,
photos.
introductory read.
Thank you so much. Thank you. Ay, wow. Hala, I don't belong. Kasi
Yeah.
lahat sila, beige. Sino ba to?
But,
Thank you. Ayan na, may tote din ako.
Of
Thank you so
course.
much.
You're welcome.
We thought about you.
Ay, kay Ref to, hindi ko bubuksan.
So yung next na hangout natin, Dylan, match tayo.
Oo.
Packing, ano to? Parang for toiletries. Perfect. Sunny Angel!
Oh, nice naman.
That's so sweet. It's from Ref's sister. And a Sunny Angel sticker pack, blind boxes, and a lippy. Oh,
Open mo yung blind box.
ito may reaction ko nung Sunny Angel.
Baka rare breed yan.
Okay.
Rare breed.
Ano yung pusa sa loob?
Okay, I want the rabbit.
The rabbit.
Yeah. Or the American short hair. Kasi we're gonna get a British short hair.
Yes, Mark.
Yes,
Biglang
Mark.
blind
Ayun,
box.
Mark.
Okay, let's see. What is inside? Or do you wanna guess what's inside?
I think it's the British Bulldog.
Okay, time's up. You only have
Time's
5
up.
seconds.
It's always really.
Ah.
It's like American short hair.
Okay. Let's.
So-
Or the bulldog.
Kayo muna.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, that's
Rhinoceros Rex.
How was that?
Rhinoceros.
Saan na siya?
Ano yan?
Rhinoceros.
Rhinoceros.
Talaga ba?
Wow, dahil dyan, pasok ka na sa next round.
Fruits naman, fruits.
Oh, pineapple.
Okay, ikaw pineapple yung guess mo?
Oh.
Okay. There's an apple, pineapple, dragon fruit, durian, melon, watermelon, grape, strawberry, pear, orange, peach, raspberry, or secret, or a Robbie.
Lanzones.
I hope it's the Robbie.
Robbie.
It's like the little rabbit na parang secret din siya, parang gano'n.
I think it's a secret.
I think it's the
Wala.
Sa durian.
Nah.
I think it's the riot. Yeah.
Oh no, I think it's the pineapple. Yeah, you're correct. Congrats, it's yours.
Dahil dyan, bibili ka ulit.
Bring me 10,000. Glenn,
Bring
pakihatid
me
ako.
the Tito Love na ba?
Glenn.
Stage director.
Ay!
Nice naman.
Cute.
Nachi.
Asia Pacific.
Asia Pacific College.
Yes.
Merch pala.
Mag-ano ako mag-aaral ulit.
Masters na.
Master's degree.
Yeah. So cute.
Wow, Ash.
Wow.
Okay, where are we going?
You're going to the store.
Okay, there. To the right. There. Okay. Okay, si Brent first. It's not in the center. Okay.
Yeah. Ito.
Saan niya ilalagay dito yan? Ito na lang, basta ma-shoot.
Oh, dito na lang.
Basta ma-shoot mo sa dito. Yan. I-shoot mo dyan
So, dalawang ganun, tapos shoot ka dito?
Basta you get 2 chances to
To
scoop.
win.
Close your eyes, ha?
Wala pa ako nakikita.
2 scoops,
Bakit di naman ako tinatawanan? Wala ko lang kaya. Wala na naman ako nakuha, no? Okay. I win.
Next.
Parang
Galing,
cute.
Asan ako? Sino kayo?
Ang galing, 1,000 kagad. Ito yung Tupperware. Ang lalim kasi ng Tupperware.
Ready? Ready na ba kayong maubos yung pera?
Dapat plato no?
Ang lalim ng Tupperware.
Sobrang dami! Grabe! Ilang tries ba to?
2.
2.
One last.
Perfect!
Grabe, ubos! Wow! May pang-grab na ako.
Go, Danny, pang dinner natin yan.
Meron ba?
Go, Danny, pang dinner natin yan.
Ay!
Yes. Ipang tapsilog na tayo.
Why are you laughing? Wait!
One more. Okay! She's the defending champion. With 200 pesos.
Okay, next. Dylan.
Pabili mo Dylan ng egg waffles.
Wala lang.
One more time.
Magaling talaga kumita ng pera.
Mahusay. Very good.
Ako naman.
Ashley.
Parang meron yan ah.
Parang.
Wow.
Magkapatid nga kayo.
Round 2.
Pambili ng klase azul. Pambili na isang shot ng klase azul.
Ay,
Ayun sa yung top row.
yeah, so left, right side mo, right side.
Tatabigay ko siya. Eto na.
Warm up.
Okay.
Ramdam ko yun!
Yay!
Madami siya! Nararamdaman ko! Ang dami! Buti na talaga pumunta ako to na.
Okay, Marvin.
ROI ako sa mga pinamigay ko kagabi.
Umuwi ka na.
Australia mo.
Lumipat na ng bahay!
Galingan mo, Danny. Pagtatsilog na ni Brent.
Alam talaga ni Lord kung sino yung hindi kailangan ng pera.
It was almost there, Daddy. It was almost there.
Strategy siya. Yung grip niya sa ano.
What does that mean?
One more, Malia. You can do it.
Did I? Oh, 200 again!
You threw away the 1,000.
You were very good at scooping, but shooting the money there, not really.
Oh, Dylan, galingan mo, Dylan. Go. Yes!
Nakaipon rin.
Nakakaipon rin.
Nakaipon rin.
Actually, galingan mo. Kasi pag may natira dyan, pag-ahagian.
Tama. Nako. Nasaan na ba? Bakit parang wala na siya? Tama ba? Wala na siya.
Not bad.
Okay.
Yay!
Merry Christmas!
Yan.
What is this? Thank you. Sure ka hindi mo na-recycle lang yung kay Tito Gia. Wow, thank you.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Ate Vic, Merry Christmas. Daddy, Merry Christmas.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Parang kinakabahan ako.
Mami.
Wow, thank you, Ate.
Merry Christmas.
Sana araw-araw Christmas.
Love you.
Thank you.
Love you. Hey, you guys. We are back in my room. And last but not the least, I forgot to show you. Bigay din ng parents ko. Super cute. Another tote from APC, which is this one. Actually, I was trying this out sa store and sobrang tagal ko na itong gustong bilhin, but I never got it for myself kasi parang sabi ko, you know, like it's pricey and it's just like a normal tote, diba? Pero yeah, I always look at it whenever I pass by like an APC store or like Commonwealth, ganyan. And finally, my mom was like, okay, we'll get it for you. So yeah, I'm so happy. So we have this, tapos ito yung kay Ref naman. So we have two different APC totes and they're both so cute. Yung bigay ni Tita Yayet na earring was this one. It's like a cuff lang. It's super nice. And then yung sa parents ko, ito siya. I'm wearing a cross necklace though, but it's like the other one. Ito yung may parang small diamonds. It's so nice. And guys, before I forget, this is my Christmas gift to myself, which I already unboxed on TikTok. So if you guys don't follow me, check it out. It's at Ashley Sandrine. But I got the Bottega Veneta Andiamo, and I love it. It's so versatile and it fits so much. This is actually just a small, pero it fits both my cameras, the Osmo and my Digicam, and then my other essentials, my phone, my power bank, my wallet, my makeup. So, madami siyang nalalaman. Tapos, I really like this small detail right here. Yan. So, you can wear it like this, or you can wear it as a crossbody, or you can wear it as a top handle with just this one. So, ayan. Of course, I got it in black because I am very basic like that, and I want to be able to match it with a lot of my outfits. So, yeah, this is my gift from me to me. I think you guys saw a glimpse naman of what I got for Christmas. I am so happy. It was so fun. I hope you guys had a great celebration. Stay healthy, guys. Merry Christmas. Thank you so much for reaching the end of this video. If you guys have been with me throughout this whole year and watched any of my videos or liked any of my posts, thank you so much. I am so grateful for each and every one of you. I love you guys. That is it for our Christmas vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to hit the like button, click subscribe if you haven't yet, and click on that bell notification button so that you guys get notified every time I post a new video. I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching, loves.